Whatever. You don't want pets, I'm not gonna give you pets.
Look though, look what I was talking about with that.
Why?
With my cucumber.
Why? You are the most jealous roosters. I mean, I pet one and well, you're a hen. Are you a hen? Yeah, you're a hen. Every one of you. Jelly, get your butt out of my face. Look, he's getting ready to come up too. He's looking. He wants to. Might as well come down. You want up? What about you? You want to come up? 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 I mean, for somebody that plucks me every time I'm around them, you'd figure you'd be a little bit nicer to me. Jealous. What are you doing?